Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a clean with me video. I had so much to get done this day. My house had really fallen apart. We'd actually had a little camp out over the weekend and the place was just a big disaster. Today's video is also going to be sponsored by Topcashback, so a huge thank you to them for collaborating with me. This was also a really windy, freezing cold day. We also had a sick baby. So Cody and I tag teamed to get everything done, but because it was so chilly, I went ahead and threw on my favorite slippers and made myself some tea before I got to work. The tent the boys had slept in the night before was taking up so much room, so Cody went ahead and took that down first. After that was taken down, I was feeling a lot better, but I wanted to get the trash taken out right away just because it was smelling really bad. I feel like when I am cleaning, I want to get everything smelling nice, and that just really motivates me. So I got that all taken care of, and then the cleaning products that I'm going to be using today are from Grove Collaborative. And right now, Topcashback is offering their customers some really great deals if you go through their website. So right now, you get a $10 off Topcashback sign up bonus when you spend $25 or more at Grove Collaborative, and then you also get a free bundle when you spend $20 or more, which I will show you in a minute. Also, for new Grove customers signing up through the Topcashback website, you will get a $4 cashback bonus. This offer expires February 30th, so you have to hurry if you want this deal, but I absolutely love shopping at Grove Collaborative. I love their products. They are plant-based, natural, good for the home, and I feel like I always find something that I need, and then I always end up loving it. So here are just some of the products that they offer. If you're not familiar with Grove Collaborative, what it is a delivery service. You actually get these cleaning products. They have things for health, they have things for baby, but I really like to use them for their cleaning products specifically, but they will ship them to your house every single month. So this is like a subscription service where you get these products sent to your door, which I, as a busy mama, can really appreciate. Plus, they have a lot of products that I am not able to find anywhere else, so I really appreciate that. But like I said, if you go through Topcashback, and I will have the links for you guys down below to their website, you will be able to earn money, which is completely awesome. And I think you guys are really gonna like it. So when you're done watching this video, be sure to check the description box below. Here is part of the bundle that you get when you spend $20 or more on a Grove Collaborative purchase. And these are the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap, surface spray, and dish soap. They're in the basil scent. And you also get 2 of their walnut scrub sponges. These are awesome. I've used them in the past, and they're really nice quality. I'm going to wipe the table down using the Mrs. Meyer's surface spray. I have been looking for a nice table runner that will kind of go with my modern farmhouse style that I've been working on. I'm really excited to show you some home updates, some new decor that I've purchased recently, and I really cannot find, no matter where I look or how hard I look, a good modern farmhouse table runner. The one that I'm using has pumpkins on it, and it's from the fall, so it's just not going to work. Anyway, I am going to be collecting the things that do not belong in the kitchen and just loading them up into this caddy so that they can be put away. I actually had a couple other Mrs. Meyer scents and a Method dish soap that I'm just going to be storing under the sink for now because I'm really excited to be using my new basil scent. This scent, just to kind of describe it to you guys, is a little bit sweeter, but it definitely is earthy. So it has that warmth, and it's extremely refreshing, and it's also perfect headed into the spring. I'm gonna go ahead and tackle these dishes now and load them up into the dishwasher. I took Lila from Cody so that he could, with the boys, start working on all of the bedding from their Campout. This is something that's really fun to do with your kids, especially in the winter when it is just freezing outside and everybody's just a little stir crazy. We played a bunch of games, Operation being one of them, and we also put a screen saver on our TV with a campfire, and it was just a lot of fun. We also put on a little audio recording that we found on YouTube that just sounded like the woods. It was a really, really good time, and we will definitely be doing it again, even though it creates a huge mess. Like I said, I've been working on some new decor ideas in my main living space. So one thing that I did is I sold the rug that went right here in the living room because I needed something bigger anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum this whole space before we move the couches back, and I'm excited. I'm also gonna be getting a new coffee table. This ottoman from Target is really awesome. It's good for storage as well, but it's just getting a little old. I also purchased some new pillows for the couch. These are very, very reminiscent of the modern farmhouse style with the plaid. I think they're so cute. I'm so excited, and I need to get a couple more, but so far I'm really pleased with them. With a sick baby and wild kids, that's all we were able to clean that day, so this is now the next day, and I'm going to be using my surface spray again and just wiping down my cabinets in the kitchen. White is so pretty, so bright, and it really makes your kitchen look bigger, but I'm telling you, white cabinets show everything. So I am gonna give them a good scrub down. I also have been loving, this is another one of my new decor pieces, I've been loving the lamb's ear wreaths. I love them so much, in fact, that I added two. I added this one in the kitchen on a high cabinet, and then I also put one next to the piano in the living room. Something that I'm constantly forgetting to clean is the inside of the microwave, but it can get really gross and again, really smell terrible. So I wanted to clean it out. I make sure and wipe down the turntable that's in there, and I'm sure you could throw this in the dishwasher, but I just wanted to give it a quick hand wash so that I could stick it right back in there when I was finished. But something that I like to do, and this is nothing new, but I like to boil some water just to loosen everything up inside the microwave. I had some butter splatter. I'd made popcorn and the butter went everywhere, so it was kind of hardened and stuck to the top and the sides. It was just a huge mess. Could you see that? Could you see that? Butter is so gross. So I went ahead and just cleaned this out, and it only took a few minutes and it looked and smelled 1,000 times better. With little kids, my stainless steel also needs to get wiped down fairly often, so I'm going to be using the Method Steel for Real. This is another thing that is extremely hard to get your hands on, but they do sell it on the Grove Collaborative website, so I highly recommend checking that out if you are placing an order. It just works really well for wiping down any stainless steel appliances you might have, and I really enjoy the scent. Cody made these shelves for me. This is another thing that I'm really excited about for my new home decor, are these shelves. Cody made them, stained them for me, and I have been really excited to decorate. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know I'm obsessed with shelves. I think they're really fun to change up for the seasons. I love decorating them for the holidays, but for now I'm just starting with a few standard pieces that are going to work year round, but I wanted to make sure and give everything a good dusting. Again, I'm using the surface cleaner from Mrs. Meyer's, and something really nice about this is that you really can use it on any surface. So I find myself using it in the kitchen, in the living room, bedrooms. I will use this all over my house on any surface that I want to wipe down. You just spray a little bit onto a cloth and you are good to go. And then just to finish up with the dusting, I'm going to use that surface spray on the shelf above my piano. And this sign to the right is something new that I grabbed that I am really happy with. I love the font and the handwriting, and I just think it's really nice again for the modern farmhouse vibe that I'm going for. And then you'll see right here to the left, I added another one of the lamb's ear wreaths to the door next to the piano, and I thought it looked really pretty. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching today. Again, I will have a link to Topcashback where you can navigate to the Grove Collaborative website and start your order and start earning money back. Thank you all so much again for spending time with me today, and I will see you very soon. Bye!